Hey there! This video is to help you prepare for the Tritech Science Fair. I know many of you want to cry in frustration when you hear the words Science Fair, but this I promise. After this, you will pass with flying colors. Your first concern is getting a bright idea, which is particular to you and not the internet. The idea should solve a problem that you have. Whether you want to save the rainforest or be better at a hobby or save time and money. However, be aware that this project will have to benefit your community. But what is my community, you ask? Your community is your family, the people that share your hobbies, your organizations that you belong to. In fact, any team, organization, or club can be classified as a community. For Tritech, you need to make creative use of technology. Technology is any new skill, use of any computerized equipment, use of social media, and use of tools that you would not normally be permitted to work with. You will need to report back using the scientific method. The scientific method has 7 phases. Before you start your investigation, you need to write down what you aim to do, and then do lots of research regarding your topic. Once you have an idea of what will and what won't work in your project, you can construct an investigative question according to the format shown. Once you ask the question, you can venture predictions on what you think might happen. This is called a hypothesis, and structured as in a text in this clip. X is always your independent variable, and Y your dependent variable. Recording your method. Once you know what you want to investigate, construct an experiment and record your method. A method contains a list of all the equipment you have used under the heading apparatus. Remember, you need to write down what each piece is used for as well. Include a diagram of the apparatus and how it is set up, ensuring that your diagram follows your scientific procedures. After your diagram, write a step-by-step set of instructions as thoroughly and complete as possible. Results. Results are always tabulated. After results follows analysis and discussion. Analysis and discussion always starts with a line graph. Once you are done with the line graph, describe the shape of the line and the relationship between the variables. You also add any other observations, improvements, and safety considerations under this heading. Conclusion. The conclusion is where you evaluate your hypothesis. So in other words, my hypothesis is completely correct, partially correct, or my hypothesis bombed, just in scientific terms. You reinforce your observed relationship. You explain the how and the why, which might need some research. And then you write down any general rules you can observe. If you did chemistry, remember to write a balanced equation for any chemical reaction which has occurred. Let's recap. First, get a good idea, which will benefit the community you belong to. Second, use technology in a fun and creative way to help solve the problem and to present your work. Third, use the scientific method to thoroughly explain why your project is the best. Well, that's it. Good luck and have fun.
Created using Powtoon.